Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will show you how to create array by using NumPy. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can create array. First of all, you should be know NumPy means numerical Python. So you can install NumPy in your Python package, then you can use NumPy. So NumPy is used to work with arrays. The array object in NumPy is called end array, ND array. Okay, so we can create NumPy end array object by using the array function. So you should be know that there is a function called array. By using this array function, you can create any kind of object as an array. For an example, we can see this program also here. Import NumPy as NP. What is the meaning of this? We are importing NumPy, and instead of using NumPy we are taking NP as alias. NP is what? It is the shortcut name of NumPy. Instead of calling by NumPy we will call with NP. Then we can call array function by using this NP. Okay, so we are importing NumPy as NP. This is the meaning of this statement. Now here you can see we are creating array. Here is arrays object and NP. By this NP aliasing we are calling array. Okay, here we are passing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The parenthesis is the array parenthesis, and we are passing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 element in this array object. Okay, in array function. Now you can print. When you will print, you will see the output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, as you can see here. Now what is the meaning of this print type array? Type array define the type of object. So here is numpy dot nd array. This is the object type, whatever you passed in this array function. Okay, now next thing you can see, use a tuple to create numpy array. By using this numpy you can also create tuple. You can also pass tuple also. As you can see the difference, here we are passing tuple np dot array. Import numpy as np and array np dot array 1 2 3 4 5. Here is you can see the difference in brackets. Okay, so here we are using square bracket and here we are using parenthesis. First parenthesis for array, second parenthesis for tuple. Okay, and when you will print you will see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so there are dimension also in this kind of array. Suppose you want to use only one dimension of array, then you can simply pass one row. This is one dimension array. Suppose there is a 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. It depends on you. Suppose you want to make one dimension of array, sorry, 0 dimension of array, just do like this. This is the 0 dimension, okay, of array. Okay, 0 0 address of is 0 number row, 0 number column. Suppose you want to make one dimensional of array, then just simply write 2 3 6. This is one dimension array. Okay, in this way you can make 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension. Suppose you want to make 2 dimension of array, then there is very simple process. Just write a square bracket, one more square bracket, and after that comma, then one more square bracket you can take here. Okay, this is going to make 2 dimension of array. I hope you will understand this. I am closing the bracket. Now this is, you can see there are 2 dimension array. This is 2 dimension. This is how we can create 2 dimension of array. Okay, 3 dimension of array. Okay, it depends on you. So I hope you understood the concept how you can create array by using NumPy. If you have any kind of doubt by using NumPy array, then you can simply ask by asking the questions in comment section. So thank you for watching.